Welcome back to Ceylon Bookkeeping Academy. If you are running a small business, you know how important it is to keep track of your expenses. In today's video, I am going to walk you through step by step on how to create a bill in Xero. First thing first, log into your Xero account and you will land on your dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of your business finances. To create a new bill, you have a couple of options. The easiest way is to go up to the purchases from menu bar. From the drop down, select bills. This takes you to the bills to pay page, where you can see all your existing bills, whether you are waiting payment, approved or paid. To create a brand new bill, click on the new bill button, usually located in the top right corner. This is one method. Another way, on the top right corner of your screen, you can see plus icon here. When you click it, you can see bill from the drop down menu. So when you click the bill, you can see your bill template. Right, now we are going to fill the details. Here you can see from means where you will enter the supplier's name. As you start typing, Xero will suggest existing contacts. If it's a new supplier, just type their name and Xero will add them. I will add my supplier as Kiwi Care Cleaning. Next, the date field. This is the date on the actual bill from your supplier. Then the due date. The due date is crucial. This tells you when the payment is expected to make. Xero often pre-bills this based on your default credit terms for that supplier, but you can always change it. Then the reference. This field is optional but useful for your own internal notes. You can mention purchase order number or reference in your invoice. Now we are moving to field below information. Description field. You can briefly describe what you are being charged for. I will add my description as supplying cleaning service for week ending 14th Jan 2026. I will pay for 10 hours, so I will put here as 10 hours under the quantity. Then unit price $50 per hour. Then account is for cleaning. Then you can add your tax rate, 15% GST on expenses. I don't need to show a region. Then Xero will automatically calculate your total amount, and you can double check this everything. If you have more items to add to your invoice, you can use this second row. Also, you can attach the soft copy of your invoice from here. So when you click it, you can see upload files. So you can upload your soft copy of your invoice here. Always make sure to upload your invoices, because anytime IRD can visit your office or they can ask the questions. Then you can save as a draft if you want to review later, or you can click approve if the bill is ready for the payment. That's it. Your bill is now recorded in Xero and will appear under bills to pay. It's all about bills. So I will explain how to make payments for bills in another video.